How recycling systems work. You throw something into a recycling bin. Plastic bottle. Cardboard box. Maybe a can. You close the lid and move on. It feels like the job is done. But that item is only at the very start of a much longer process. Sorting. Separating. Processing. And eventually turning into something new. So today we are going to walk through how recycling systems actually work and what happens after something leaves your bin. Chapter 1: The basic idea. Recycling systems collect and process waste materials. They turn used items into reusable resources. The goal is to reduce waste and reuse materials. It is a cycle rather than a one-time process. Chapter 2: Collection. Recycling begins with collection. Materials are gathered from homes and businesses. They are placed into designated bins. Collection systems transport them to facilities. Chapter 3: Transport to facilities. Collected materials are taken to recycling centers. These facilities are designed to process large volumes. Transport connects collection to processing. This is the next stage in the system. Chapter 4: Initial sorting. At the facility, materials are sorted. Large or unsuitable items may be removed. Sorting separates recyclables from non-recyclables. This prepares materials for further processing. Chapter 5: Material separation. Different materials must be separated. This includes plastics, metals, paper, and glass. Machines and manual processes are used. Separation improves efficiency. Chapter 6: Mechanical sorting systems. Modern facilities use machines to sort materials. Conveyors move items through the system. Sensors and magnets identify materials. Automation speeds up sorting. Chapter 7: Cleaning and processing. Materials are cleaned to remove contaminants. This may include washing or shredding. Processing prepares materials for reuse. Clean materials are more useful. Chapter 8: Material breakdown. Recyclables are broken down into raw forms. Plastics may be melted. Metals may be melted or reshaped. Paper may be pulped. This returns materials to a usable state. Chapter 9: Manufacturing new products. Recycled materials are used in manufacturing. They become new products. This completes the recycling loop. Materials re-enter the economy. Chapter 10: Contamination challenges. Not all materials are recyclable. Incorrect items can contaminate batches. This reduces efficiency. Proper sorting is important at the source. Chapter 11: Economic factors. Recycling depends on demand for materials. Costs and market conditions affect operations. Some materials are easier to recycle than others. Economics plays a role in the system. Chapter 12: The bigger picture. Recycling systems reduce waste and conserve resources. They support environmental sustainability. They rely on participation and infrastructure. They are part of a larger resource cycle. To wrap up, recycling systems work by collecting, sorting, and processing materials so they can be reused. Materials are separated, cleaned, and transformed into raw forms. These raw materials are then used to create new products. Contamination and economic factors affect efficiency. The system turns waste into reusable resources through a continuous cycle. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.